You can make a simple pouch for your cleaning brush for your Braun Series 9 shaver by using gaffer tape or fabric repair patches, which have a adhesive side for the fabric. All I did is I took some gaffer tape, and this is my original, and I placed some gaffer tape on the other side so when you put the brush in, it doesn't stick to the tape itself, and then simply taped that to the inside of the case. I thought fabric tape might work a little bit better, and so I did the same thing with the fabric tape. Measured it out. I rounded the corners because I was told that sharp corners are easier to peel off and round corners don't peel off as easy. I don't know how true that is, but that's what I did. Then I traced a corresponding patch that mimicked the outline of the brush, and then put that over the larger patch, and you can just push the brush into the opening and then seal it all around. And when you want to use your brush, you just push it up from the bottom and it pops out. Use it, and then when you're finished, put it back and zip it up. I put it at this location because there's a natural indentation in the shaver there, so that when you close it, the brush matches that indentation. And now I don't have to worry about my brush flopping around in the case and having to find it. I used to put it in this crevice, but it bounces all over the place. So there you can have a nice compartment for your brush. Now, for the price of this shaver, it would have been nice if Braun had included some kind of receptacle for the brush, but until then, you can make your own using very simple materials. And that's how you make a pouch for your cleaning brush for the Braun Series 9 shaver. Thank you.